how to set up generative NFT art collection in 2021. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can set up a generative NFT art collection in 2021 on OpenSea and get yourself passive income essentially, and also if you're an artist, market your content. So firstly, I want you to come on to OpenSea.io. So when you come on to OpenSea.io, first, let's take a look at a couple of examples and how can you bring your generative NFT collection over here on OpenSea. So firstly, we are going to be taking a look at CryptoPunks. So these are the top most selling NFT out there, and this was the first generative collection to ever come out on OpenSea, essentially the first generative NFT collection. So what are generative NFTs doing essentially, and why are they so valuable? So what happens is that the NFT you own already has a number tag to it which is completely unique, but the generative NFT collection really lets you have a very original item or an NFT, completely original visually and also by its serial code, of course. So for example, if you were to open up this particular NFT, so this NFT has a price of 58 Ethereum on average, and it has the following properties. This has a purple eyeshadow, this is a female, and this is a wild blonde. Now only 1% of CryptoPunks actually are wild blondes, so this makes it super rare. So whoever owns this particular CryptoPunk, well then he can be banking a lot of money, because there is no other CryptoPunk like this. I mean, people say you can take screenshots and stuff, but a screenshot is never going to be as valuable as an original thing. So over here now you can even see the details and everything, the contract address, and about this particular NFT and the collection in general. So if I were to back up now, let's take a look at a couple of other samples. So we have some people with the mohawk, we have this particular cryptos. So essentially the cryptos are there, and many people are actually interested in this particular cryptos, because this is a generative NFT project, meaning that every single thing is unique. You can crossbreed them and you will have new versions of the NFTs. Now all of this is done in the background using the algorithm and everything, so whatever you are going to be getting is going to be one of a kind and not going to be copied anywhere else. So this is one option. Now there are other options as well, we have Bad Cats. So Bad Cats is also a generative NFT project which recently came into being. So what's happening over here is that they basically have just this one format and they are just changing the faces, the accessories that the cat is carrying, but apart from that we just have this one body, and this just keeps on making unique and unique, because every single person can have their NFT completely unique from the other person, and they can even crossbreed them, they can even modify them, they can even buy custom made NFTs from them by simply changing this and that. So essentially you can do the same thing too. You can essentially get someone from a website called Fiverr or Upwork.com, and you can have them make you a small template basically of something that you want. So you can have a face over here, and you can simply sell it by simply changing the hair, the background, the eye color, the eyelashes, the mustache, the beard, and everything. So you can add variations like that, and that is really gonna let you essentially optimize your generative NFT project, because you can have all of these things laid out and you can upload all of them as a collection, and people can really make their pick, because there is going to be something for every single person over there. Now OpenSea lets you basically upload all of your NFT projects over here quickly. So essentially all that you need to do is simply come up with an original content. So we have another CryptoPunk which is called chain faces. So let's come over here. So what are these doing? So guys, it doesn't get any simpler than that. These are just faces, and these are made by the use of keyboard letters. Now what are they doing? They are essentially just changing the keyboard letters and they are making faces, but this can sell for a pretty good amount. Now over here you can see the price is 0.1 Ethereum. Then we have 0.19 Ethereum, 0.2 Ethereum. So essentially the aspect, the growth rate, and the money you can make from these things is absolutely through the roof. And honestly, if anybody says that you can't make money through NFTs, well then he's either lying or he's blind. So let's take a look at another NFT. Now this one is a personal favorite. So I'm gonna type in ancient face over here, and now let's take a look at this particular collection. Now right now they don't have anything on their collection yet, but they are gonna be something like this. So like they're gonna have a face, and they will just keep on changing the background, the facial features, the face color, the accessories, and then that is gonna like get them a lot of sales. And then similarly, we had another NFT which was about cats, called Ether Cats. So these are a prime example as to like how can you use just one design and then similarly make a lot of different designs on top of that particular design. So we have just one static design, and they are changing the colors, the cat face. Basically, what's in the frame is changing, but apart from that, everything else stays the same. And this really lets them like essentially just like have an endless variation. And like for example, if you owned this particular NFT, you can actually like modify all of these things, and this would be like so good. Now scrolling down, we can see like the same template is just carrying on, and like this is a big example as to what can you do. You can essentially like follow the same procedure, have yourself a cat, and then you can simply like change different attributes of the cat, add different things to like make it exclusive, have tier options. Basically, one can be rare, one can be legendary, one can be normal, and one can be common and stuff like that. So like that is gonna like really let you like explore and actually like make a big collection for yourself, meaning you won't have to like go through much hassle, go through much stuff, and you will just have to like follow a simple pattern. And like I said before, you can go to websites like Fiverr, and then like once you come onto Fiverr, you can simply type in the search bar NFT, and if you just type in NFT, you will be able to see like hundreds and hundreds of sellers which are offering you like mind-blowing services, and you can like literally just buy a service from them. And this is going to be a one-time investment, and once you've done this one-time investment, well then after that, my friends, like you will have yourself a NFT collection that you can make money from on OpenSea, and then similarly upload it to any marketplace, any NFT marketplace that you know of, and earn recurring commission, and then also have a generative NFT collection. Because guys, like in times of COVID, when there is just so much going on, like people are literally losing everything that they had, every single thing. So for you to like go out and do these methods, try out these different applications, try out these different websites, is a really groundbreaking, because not only does it allow you to become a savior for your friends and family, because in these difficult times everybody needs a job, but also it helps you to like make a living for yourself and earn some additional money for yourself, so that you guys can also achieve your financial goals, whether that be buying a Lamborghini, whether that be buying your own motorcycle, whether that be helping someone else. It all depends upon you, but my job is to make sure you guys get resources, get ways to monetize your time online, because that is what we want ultimately, and that is our end goal from this channel. So guys, all in all, if you guys face any confusion, you guys know how you guys can reach out to me through the comment section down below, because I respond to all the comments who really want help, and I will guide you till the end, until and unless you guys understand every single thing. So guys, do not hesitate to reach out to me. I hope this video cleared out all of your confusions, and if you guys want to ask me anything, make sure to leave it down in the comments below. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.